Okay, we were minding our own business, laying tile, and all of a sudden my son calls and says Calbuco is erupting, which is probably 40 miles away. And maybe 30 miles away, 28, 30 miles away. I want to show you what it looks like. It is awesome. We're safe. By the way, we're okay, we're safe. We'll be fine. And there it is. Look at that. Look at that. And it just started. And it's like, look at the mushroom cloud. Hey, Lori, turn the car off. Can you? There's no noise or anything. We were kind of expecting some noise. Hopefully that'll blow that way from us, so that we'll be okay with no ash. Who knows though? Wind's blowing right in my face right now. Man, isn't that awesome? God's wondrous power.
It's interesting though, because it's coming from the side of the volcano. You can see the top to the right.
Yeah. I'll look down at the ground a little there, see if I can zoom in on it.
A top of lava on the top. There's always
Now, those mountains or volcanoes are typically snow-covered, but it's not now. Looks like it's going away from us, but hey, what do I know? There's a mushroom cloud. Let's back up. See if this camera will work right. Yeah. The locals must think we're crazy.
They're all standing out there too down the road.
Where? Down the road from us?
Right down where the cherry farm is.
Man, this is better than any movie. It's like the real thing. Lori, I wonder if we're gonna... Sorry about the wind. Get behind the car here. I wonder if we're gonna get ashed. Okay, here's the morning after. We're a little bit closer to it than our farm. And there's the volcano
that erupted.
Calbuco. And you see the little wisp of smoke coming out of the back left side. That's where it came from, the top blue there. But what's really interesting is that right there is Osorno, which is a long time not erupted, over 100 years, 200 years, volcano right there. It last erupted, I think, when, Maureen?
1860.
1860, so, and it's snow-capped, but if you look at it really close, you can't see it white because all the ash from that volcano blew over on top of that volcano. So it'd be really interesting to see if all that snow up there melts from that volcano blowing over to it. But anyways, Calbuco, 2015, April. Really neat to see this. It's just really cool to see this. You don't see anything like this other places in the world, certainly not in South Carolina. Anyways, ciao from Chile expat family.